Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy, mini video edition. And for those who hear the bells in the background, yes, we're about to get blocked by a train.
Tower Unite 2413, want us over to the ground? 2413, affirmative. You can take uniform, hold short Yankee, ground point 8. Uniform, short Yankee, ground point 8, Unite 2413.
This is one of the cons of filming in this area.
York Tower, Bricker 3699, RNF Whiskey 29. Bricker 3699, North Tower, wind 2905, runway 29, clear to land. 29, clear to land, Bricker 3699. Tower 970 with the out of 26, approach prior for RNF Whiskey 29. Sorry, call time, what was that again? Yeah, 1701, we've got a 2500 for 29. Clear, United 1701, Air Tower 2904, runway 29, clear to land. Clear to land, 29, 1701. United 50 Heavy, just take Victor right on Papa, then ground point 8. Victor, right on Papa, ground point 8. Thank you, sir. United 51. Or 50, correction. United 1066, New Tower, runway 22.
Well, for those who are rail fans, there's your train right there.
22 left at Whiskey line up into United 1066.
Friendly reminder, if you have not eaten, taken your meds, drank water, nor given yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And now, with that being said, please continue to enjoy today's featured presentation. Oh, it was rather short. I'll take that. I thought it was going to be long.
Sorry, United 16, hold on, Whiskey 2, take off. 22 left at Whiskey, clear for takeoff, United 1066. American 1692, New Tower, runway 22 left at Whiskey, line for wait, hold at idle power. Idle power, 22 left at Whiskey,
Now
line
we're back on the planes. Yay! Another Norfolk Southern. (4211) and 1132. I did not catch the lead engine. At least they're not double stacked in the models, but they're still kind of blocking the view for you guys, and I do. Well, I can't apologize for something I got no control in, so that's just how things go when you film at IKEA.
Delta 2577 New York Tower, you ready? Ready. Delta 2577 wind calm, runway 22 left at Whiskey, clear for takeoff. 2 left at Whiskey,
I
clear for
spoke
takeoff.
too soon.
Delta 2577. United 2674 as you exit left Yankee, ground point 8. Left Yankee, ground point 8, United
The delivery
2674.
trucks. I spoke too soon, y'all. Here I am, I spoke too soon, hurrah, hurrah. Yes, I spoke too soon, hurrah, hurrah. I already spoke too soon, and here they come within a few seconds. I had to open my big mouth, I could not keep it shut. Boom, 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 doom, 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 doom. You had to open my mouth, hurrah, hurrah. And here it comes. Delta connection. Oh, just Delta. I see a heavy. And for realsies this time.
Delta 2577, contact departure 19-2, good day. Call departure Delta 257.
Oh my God, once I finish, I am stretching my legs. This is diabolical.
Bow Tower, United 135 Heavy, ILS 22 left. United 135 Heavy, North welcome, wind 1204, runway 22 left, clear to land. Thank you, sir. 22 left, clear to land, United 135 Heavy.
My apologies, there you go. Wanted to bring it closer to me.
Boy 3355, I got one arrival for 22 left, then I'll get you going. Roger, I'll charge you left, runway 33.
There's Austrian Airlines. It ducked me. They really did have it come on 29. It ducked me. Whoever's tuning in, please drop a like. It would help a lot. And it would mean something to me. We're just one more away from 15. 6 away from 20. Let's get these happening. Oh.
Sorry, United 1064, Arnav, Whiskey C9. United 1064, North welcome, wind calm, runway 29, clear to land. 29, clear to land, United 1064.
There you go. My apologies about that. I don't think that's a heavy.
3385, runway 22 left at Whiskey, line of the way.
20 left, 540, runway 3365.
Another Norfolk Southern.
You know, 1336, kind of approach.
Departure, say it.
$8107 and 7520 is leading this intermodel that you're about to see passing through your screen.
767, 2 mile final, landing on 22 left. The wind is 1405, runway 29, quarter land.
Clear land, runway 29, fresh 31.
Hey, Marty. It's all right. I'm happy that you tuned in at least. How are you doing today?
69, left here, left on Yankee kind of ground. Left Yankee contact ground here, 69.
We got a heavy coming in.
Here's 2971, I think we'll make short approach. Spirit 2971. Tower break car 58, 41 with you on that wood.
And there's so many things I do at the
41
same time.
160.
Hey, prepare for takeoff. Hi. Welcome back. Welcome back. Well, Marty, I pray that things will get better for you. I know you can do it. You're a bright soul. I believe in you. Prepare for takeoff. Our shot is being blocked by this train.
Limber 4396, North Tower, 22 left, Whiskey, line up away.
22 left, Whiskey, line up away, Limber 4396.
Oh! Yeah, you hate to see that. You truly hate to see that. No lie, I'd have been mad. I would have been mad. My goodness. Double stacks with the Big Macs.
Yeah, 165 heavy, right on Papa, just kind of ground.
When this stream is over, I'm going to show y'all exactly where I'm sitting on.
Limber 4396, 22 left, Whiskey, clear for takeoff.
22 left, Whiskey, clear for departure.
Yes, I did.
Camera with 22 left, Whiskey, line up away.
22 left, Whiskey, line up away, United 86.
Wind 1705.
I am getting blocked by this train.
327 low altitude, low check altitude, altimeter 2970.
That's a red, 900 feet.
50 season, blah, 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 blah. United Express, I think that it is a go, Jim.
Traverse here 3448, runway 29. Freaking 3448, north side wind 120 at 6, wind 29 for the line.
Runway 29, thanks, 3448.
Hello, United. What do they have at the food court? I might check it out one of these days.
United 86, 22 left, Whiskey, clear for takeoff.
22 left, Whiskey, clear for takeoff, United 86.
Number 4396,
That's the
County
last
Park.
car.
Or departure, number 4396.
United 15, was it 90, north side, number 22 left, Whiskey, line up away.
22 left, Whiskey, line up away, United 59.
That train timing was terrible. I barely get 22R arrivals, and this is what happens. Ah, Seagull.
Yeah, 1205 left on Yankee, contact ground.
Left on Yankee, contact ground for United 1205.
Something is flying in 222L. I wonder what this airline is on 22L. Hey, look, Norfolk Southern. It's a Norfolk Southern.
Rick, you're at 3599.
8095
Whiskey
and
3599, tower, wind 1604, runway 29, clear the lane.
70
29, clear the line, Rick, you're at 3599.
608. Thank you for watching today's presentation, and please have a blessed day.